Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a landing page in ConvertKit easily. If you're new to ConvertKit, check the link in the description for a free trial. If you already have an account, just log in and follow along. First of all, once you're logged in, click on the Grow tab from the top menu and select Landing Pages and Forms. After that, click on Create New and choose Landing Page. ConvertKit will then show you a variety of templates, from simple opt-in designs to more styled layouts. Pick the one that fits your brand or campaign goal. Next, it's time to customize your landing page. You can change the background image, headline, button text, and colors directly from the editor. Type your message clearly so visitors know exactly what they're signing up for. You can also add extra fields if you want to collect more than just an email, like a name or phone number. After that, click the Settings icon to configure what happens after someone subscribes. You can redirect them to a thank you page or display a confirmation message. You can also connect an automation, such as a welcome email or a free download delivery. Finally, once your landing page looks good, click Publish at the top right corner. You'll get a unique link that you can share anywhere, on social media, in emails, or even embed it on your website. So this is how to create a landing page in ConvertKit easily. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick ConvertKit tutorials.